Hey everybody, this is TecX and how are you? So today I'm back with a new update of Realme which will blow your mind. So stay tuned with me till end and let's see what's that update and how much you have to invest kind of thing. So let's start. So today I'm going to share update of your Realme 8s which launched recently, and you can check in your smartphone. So let's start the video. So let's go to our smartphone and see what's that update. So this is my device and let's go to your settings. So here your setting, and you can see here there's a software update. There's a red marked, and you can see it's Realme 2.0 version on which Realme UIs are basically running on Android 11. This is Realme 8s, and this is your update, and you can see your official version and they have given name of that, and you can see your date clearly, and it is of your 339 megabytes, which is not much. So let's see what's about this update. So you can see this update will fix your some known issue and improve your stability of device so that you can use a device smoothly. So this will also extend your security patch. And let's go to your update log and what they have given. So yeah, security patch is basically of your October 2021, and this is awesome. And let's go to the system updates, what they had given. So yeah, firm version optimized touchscreen experience, okay, and fixed known issues, okay. So you can see here there's a blue link you can see, and this is the official link. So if you want to check out, I will put link in description and you can easily check out from here. And this is the whole update you can see here, and this was all the software update of this device. And just go to your setting and update your device for latest and awesome experience. So this was the whole video guys, and hope you like this video about this update. And if you not updated your Realme 8s, just go and update now, and I'll keep making videos about this whenever there will be an update on any smartphone, and whatever from news source I will get, I will just aware you. So don't forget to subscribe this channel for not missing any updates about your phone. So see you in next video.